welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this beautiful glittery glam eye using craft store glitter. You heard me right.
Craft store glitter.
And I'm going to show you guys how exactly I do this. So if you're interested in seeing all that, just keep watching. Quick swipe. So this is the glitter that we are going to be trying out today. I got this from Michael's and it was $1.99. So if this works as eyeshadow, this will be like a perfect hack because this is so cheap and you see how much you get in these packs. It came with so many pretty colors. So let's just see what happens here. So I kind of did some research before trying this just so I could kind of know what might help this glitter stick because it is very, very loose and very fine and I don't want it all over my face, which is probably gonna happen anyway. But I decided that I'm going to use Vaseline. So let's see what happens. So I want to kind of do like a cut crease with the gold glitter. So I'm going to go in with my eyebrow pencil first to kind of draw that line out. Very faint line, but I don't need it to be too dramatic. I'm going to use this taupe color from the Jackyn by Morphe palette as my transition color. And now I'm going to use a flat end brush and spray that with some MAC Fix Plus. And I'm also going to use this gold color from the Jackyn palette to use as a base for the glitter because I feel like it'll probably look better if I have a base color that is similar to the glitter. So I'm just going to kind of trace that line out that I drew. And I'm only going about halfway because I'm going to do like a half cut crease and kind of try to smoke this out in the corners. I'm going to kind of blend that line out with this darker blush type color using that same flat-ended brush, just gently along that line. Now for the fun part and the scary part, the glitter. So I'm going to take my Vaseline and I really don't know what I'm doing here, so we're just winging it, but I'm just going to dip my same flat end brush right into this Vaseline. Kind of gets the brush really like tacky. I'm gonna pour like a little bit of the glitter out onto a flat surface, not too much. And I'm gonna take a brush. Here we go. And I'm just gonna go on that same outline as the other gold. It's not really falling out from the brush, so that's a good thing. Now I'm just gonna pat it in. Oh, no. It's working. It's going on. It's not really falling out because of the Vaseline. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna go in for a round two. I'm gonna go in with the second layer of this glitter and see what we can make pop here. Put some more Vaseline on the end. You really can't see it, but you know. Ooh! Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a hack. Oh my gosh. And like I said, there's like literally no fallout on my face. Okay, I'm gonna stop blabbing. I'm gonna do the other side really fast. Oh my gosh. This is great. My biggest fear was that it was going to put glitter all over my face, but like literally it's not. Wow. Now I'm going to smoke this out like I said I was gonna do. I'm gonna first go with this dark brown color here and tapping it ever so lightly. Now I'm just doing a slight sweeping motion. That blending sweep there kind of drags the glitter out. That's okay. Amazing how well this glitter is holding up. Like, do y'all see this? Oh, now I'm gonna take my blending brush and blend that out lightly with black. I don't know why I didn't use tape, but these lines are a no-go, so I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and clean those up. Alright, I'm gonna pop some lashes on. I'm going to use my Velux eyelashes by I Envy. Now that is what I call a lash, honey. Alright, so this video is all about the eyes, so I'm gonna do my foundation and come back and finish this look up. Be right back. Alright.
Before you even say something, I know my face is white AF, but this is not my final form, okay?
I'm back. I have done my face, so now I'm going to go in on my bottom line with some black eyeliner. And I'm going to follow that with some mascara. I am using the Rimmel London Lash Accelerator. You know, I saved the highlighter for last because I'm going to use my Laura Geller in Gilded Honey underneath my eyebrows as well as on various areas of my face. So I'm going to go under my brows first with a flat end brush and just kind of add even more shimmer to what we already have, honey. I'm extra, I'm sorry, I like glitter and glam, so.
The more the merrier.
And I'm going to set with my Fix Plus by MAC. And for my lips, I'm going to be a little neutral this time. I'm going to use my MAC by Whirl and go over that with the NYX Butter Gloss in 05. Y'all, I barely have any of this left. I'm so sad. I have to go get some more. I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, that is going to complete today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is absolutely a hack. This stuff was $2. Best part, of course, it went on so beautifully and effortlessly using that Vaseline, and there's barely any fallout. So I'm definitely going to be going back and buying every color. Okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of looks you may want to see in a new video. If you want info on this hair, make sure that you check out the link down below. And I will catch you guys next time.